So certified here. We got a little taste test. Yeah, so we're taste testing some I picked up at Dollar Tree. It is called True. Apple kiwi flavored. Hmm. Enhanced sparkling beverage. Supposed to have focus in it. We'll see. It was a Dollar Tree, so $1.25, I guess. Not expensive. Yellowish little color. It smells pretty good. It's okay. Really doesn't seem like a sparkling drink. Contains 4% juice. There's some actually a little juice in it. 2 grams of sugar. 100 milligrams of caffeine. That's not bad. I can taste the apple though. It tastes like apple when you first drink it, and the aftertaste kind of tastes like the kiwi. It's actually pretty good, pretty smooth. I will buy it again for sure. I like it. So the True apple kiwi flavored energy drink, easy. You get easy 7.5. They got a few other flavors. I didn't pick it up. I just decided to get one flavor to see how I like it at first. But yeah, I give it a 7.5. Let me know if you ever had the True energy drink. Any of the flavors and what you think about them. Like, subscribe, and notification bell for more so certified. Comment below something you want me to taste test or try out. Stay tuned for my shorts, my videos, and my live streams. Going to try to live stream once or twice on the weekend. Maybe squeeze in one during the week somewhere. We'll see. But hey, share the videos and shorts with somebody you know if it's not your type of content. Even if it is your type of content, share it, help the channel grow, all the other good stuff. That's everything. As well, like it's Monday. I'm tired. I don't really feel like starting my day, but here we go.